Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to delete all your YouTube watch history in one click. So let's get started. First of all, open the YouTube app. Then tap on your profile picture at the bottom right corner. After that, tap on history. Now here you will see some recently watched YouTube videos. But you cannot delete your full watch history from here. To delete all your watched videos on YouTube, then tap on three dots at the top right corner. After that, tap on Manage All History. Now you can see all the videos you have watched on YouTube. If you want to delete all your YouTube watch history in one click, tap on Delete. After that, here you select Delete All Time. Then tap on Delete button at the bottom right corner. After that, tap on Got It. That's it. Your YouTube watch history has been deleted successfully. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.